How to fix Facebook's session expired login error. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix session expired login error on Facebook. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're seeing the session expired login error on Facebook, the way that we can fix this is to, if you can still see your account details, then you can try to log out of that existing account, or you can clear the data for the Facebook app. So on Android, we can do this by long pressing the Facebook app icon, then tapping on this eye icon that says app info. And from here, we can go to storage usage and clear the cache fast while also choosing to clear the data. Now you can also try to restart your device to see if that helps you. And after that, you should be able to restart the app and re-log into your account using the different type of credentials that you have. And this way you can fix if your Facebook says that session has expired. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.